Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're counting down the top 5 best brooms for pet hair removal that you can get your hands on right now. Whether you're tired of dealing with stubborn pet hair embedded in your carpets or just want an all-around better cleaning tool, we've got you covered. I'll be walking you through the best options, from budget-friendly picks to premium choices, to help you find the perfect match for your home. All the product links are in the description below, so let's dive into the list. Starting off at number 5, we have the Rubber Broom with Squeegee from Home. This broom is specifically designed for pet hair removal, featuring rubber bristles that act like a magnet to capture debris and fur. Whether it's dirt, dust, or pet hair, this broom is built to handle it all. The head includes a built-in squeegee, making it versatile for wiping away liquid spills on tiles, hardwood, or even windows. The 57-inch adjustable handle is a nice touch, offering comfort for users of all heights. The broom is lightweight and portable, which makes it easy to maneuver, but the flagged bristles might not be as effective on deeply embedded hair compared to other options on this list. It also comes with a handy lint brush for smaller tasks, like cleaning your sofa or car seats. While this broom does a decent job on carpets and hard floors, it might struggle with thicker rugs or delicate fabrics. The design is sturdy and easy to clean, but the bristle length is slightly shorter than others, which can impact performance. Overall, it's a solid, budget-friendly option for general pet hair removal, but there are better choices if you need heavy-duty performance. At number 4, we have the Rubber Broom Carpet Rake from Cafanta. This broom features electrostatic rubber bristles made from natural rubber, which attract and lift pet hair, dust, and debris with ease. It's designed for use on carpets, hardwood floors, and tiles, and it's especially great for short pile carpets. The included squeegee edge adds versatility, making it useful for cleaning up liquid spills as well. One standout feature is the 59-inch telescoping handle, which offers an adjustable length for more ergonomic cleaning. The handle is made from stainless steel, providing durability, and the broom head itself is washable, so maintenance is a breeze. Just rinse it under running water and it's good as new. This broom also comes with a 12-month warranty, which adds peace of mind to your purchase. While the Cafanta broom is a strong contender, its smaller head width means it might take longer to clean larger areas. Additionally, while it's great at picking up hair on smooth surfaces, it can struggle with deeply embedded fur in thick carpets. Still, for the price, it's a reliable and durable choice for pet owners who want a versatile tool for everyday use. Coming in at number 3 is the O-Cedar Pet Pro broom with step-on dustpan. If you're looking for a traditional-style broom with a twist, this one is a great choice. It features dual bristle technology with firm black bristles for sweeping up larger debris and softer gray bristles for capturing finer dust and pet hair. The angled broom head makes it easy to access corners and tight spaces, which is a huge plus for thorough cleaning. The real star here is the step-on dustpan, which comes with integrated cleaning combs that remove 3 times more hair than traditional dustpans. It's also equipped with anti-static technology, so debris releases easily into the trash with a simple tap. No more struggling with stuck pet hair. Made from 80% recycled plastic, this broom is also eco-friendly. While it's not as specialized for carpets as some of the rubber brooms on this list, it excels on hard floors and is perfect for quick cleanups. The lightweight design and durable construction are added bonuses. However, if you're dealing with embedded pet hair in rugs, you might want to look elsewhere. Overall, it's a fantastic option for pet owners who want a versatile and user-friendly cleaning tool. In the runner-up spot at number 2, we have the Carpet Rake for Pet Hair Removal by Airson. This tool is a game-changer for deeply embedded pet hair. It features durable metal bristles that are incredibly effective at pulling fur out of carpets, rugs, and even stairs. The 60-inch adjustable handle is made of stainless aluminum, allowing you to customize the length for maximum comfort and reach. What sets this product apart is the inclusion of a Y-shaped fur remover, which is great for tackling pet beds, furniture, and even car interiors. The rake is reusable and easy to clean. Just wipe it down with a cloth after use, and it's ready for your next cleaning session. It's also a sustainable option, as it doesn't rely on disposable components like sticky rollers. However, it's worth noting that this rake is not suitable for delicate fabrics or certain types of carpets like jute or silk. It's also less versatile on hard floors compared to the rubber bristle options higher on this list. That said, if you're focused on deep cleaning carpets and rugs, this is one of the best tools available. Finally, taking the top spot at number 1 is the Fur Remover Original Pet Hair Rubber Broom. This broom is a powerhouse when it comes to pet hair removal. Its 12.5-inch wide rubber bristle head creates an electrostatic charge that attracts and collects hair, dust, and debris without scattering it around. It's particularly effective on carpets, outperforming many traditional vacuums in this category. The 58-inch telescopic handle is fully adjustable, making it easy to use for people of all heights. It's also equipped with a built-in squeegee edge, perfect for cleaning windows, spills, and even outdoor surfaces like patios. The rubber bristles are water-resistant and washable, so maintenance is quick and hassle-free. Plus, the broom is incredibly durable, with a design that's built to last for years. While it's slightly more expensive than some other options, the Fur Remover Broom offers exceptional value for its versatility and performance. It's perfect for homes with multiple pets and different floor types, making it the ultimate all-in-one cleaning solution. Hands down, this is the best broom for pet hair removal on the market today. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you found this video helpful in choosing the right broom for your pet hair removal needs. If you enjoyed this video or learned something new, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Let me know in the comments which broom you're planning to try, or if you have any questions about the products we covered today. Until next time, happy cleaning!